Hi there, everybody in Africa. This is just to show you around the SA investment decision summary report after our meeting today. I've amended some of the columns and to include whether the impression is a provisional costing or not, and to make sure that you're getting your print quantities and that there's a value in every field that's come through. So I've done that and I've run it as an interactive report, and this is the result for the title that's in that group. So you're getting a main identifier, that's the edition identifier. If I open up, you can click on the lines of an interactive report and it opens up Biblio. So you can see that this identifier is that one there, and that's the edition identifier. You've got that this is not a provisional costing. That means that it has been converted into an impression, and it's in this cost group 18525. If it was in multiple cost groups, I believe it would have a multiple, it would have all of the cost groups listed there. This one is only in one cost group at the moment, so that's something to test. ISBN, if it had been allocated, would be here. And then you've got the edition cover title. That isn't populated automatically. That's something that a user would have to go in and populate. But Helga, we've spoken about that already in terms of the training document. So that's there. Now, impression print quantity. We did have in this report a field called confirmed print quantity, or total confirmed print quantity, and it wasn't pulling through anything. I've had a bit of a play, and it's actually the filter that we need to use on the report are these two lines. So you've got impression print quantity and then impression print quantity confirmed, and that tells you that that's the print quantity and that it has been confirmed. I'll just show you where they are here. So you've got impression print quantity and then impression print quantity confirmed. In order to populate that, you need to go into the impression overview screen, and you can see that's the print quantity, and then that little tick box there means that it's been confirmed, and that's ticked there. So you get to untick it, and that shows that that's confirmed. Impression price, that's taken from the price screens. You've got that here as well. So the price and then ex-VAT price. They're appearing the other way around here. So you've got ex-VAT and then including VAT. You've got your internal roles. You've got your original pub date. You haven't got the actual pub date in there, so I don't know whether that's something that you might like to add. And then you've got the gross margin. That, I believe, is a financial figure. And then you've got the percentage there. But again, have a bit of a play and see how you get on. One thing which is quite good to note is if you click into the file, into the record here, and if you update anything in the record, you can come back here and just click refresh, and it will refresh that report with exactly the same filters and settings, and just pull through the updated data. So when you're playing, that might be a good way of doing it. And also if you're using this to navigate through meetings, that might be, again, another good suggestion. So a helpful tip. Thanks.